Meaning of Freemasonry.
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 Freemasonry. Freemasonry is a fraternal organization that traces its origins to the local fraternities of stonemasons in the Middle Ages. It emphasizes moral and personal development, brotherhood, and charity. Members are known as Freemasons and use symbolic rituals and ceremonies to teach principles of morality, self-knowledge, and understanding of the world. The group has been criticized by some for its secrecy and exclusivity, but proponents argue that it promotes positive values in charitable work. In summary, Freemasonry is a fraternity focused on personal growth, brotherhood, and charity through symbolic rituals and principles of morality.